Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 31. I'm going to quickly go over what we're going to be doing this week so that you know and can plan ahead. The first thing you'll see in Schoology is the parking lot design PowerPoint. This goes over just how you would design a parking lot. That's what our focus of this week is going to be. We've worked on the inside of the building. We've worked on a little bit of the outside, which we're also going to be working on this week. Now I want you to focus on the parking lot. So it talks about different things dealing with how many parking spaces you need, size of the parking spaces, accessibility, all of these lovely things. So I'm going to have you take notes on that. You need to go and reformat that, it looks like. But take some notes on that, get them submitted. Then you're going to be doing the activity 3.4.2 parking lot design. So in this activity, you will design pedestrian access, vehicular access, and parking for the Keystone Library that complies with the American with Disabilities Act and Architecture Barriers Act accessibility guidelines. You're going to be researching some information. I included a link to the Noblesville codes and interesting. Let's see if the one out in Schoology works. Weird, because this worked for me the other day. Doesn't want to be working. All I did was I'll double check that, but I've already attached it, so it's not going to work at this point. But I'm going to look up, you can try amlegal.com. Don't know if that's going to work for you. I wonder why. Maybe it'll work at home. Maybe it's just not working here at school. I don't know. It was working the other day for me. This is basically the link I had posted, so we'll see if that one works. But you're going to find the law site to help you answer the questions on the worksheet. So you can see how many parking spaces are required for the Keystone Library. Show your calculation. What distance must parking lots be set back from the property line? Assuming a 90, you're going to work on that, answer all those questions using the code and the law. Then you're going to create a site bubble diagram to represent the preliminary location of the parking lot and all that stuff. Study your Keystone Library site plan. Select a primary location and orient the orientation for the parking lot based on your code research. Sketch a preliminary design for the parking lot and pedestrian walkway scale. If you want to print out your site plan, you can do that. I think I have it. And I can link it back. Here we go. Site plan. Here's the site plan. You can print that out. I'll also link that in this week's folder. Let's see if any of that worked. It's still being super slow. Anyway, I'll work on getting that up for you. The last thing we're going to be doing is I want you to build that front entranceway. And I'm going to go over that in class with you, and I'll create my sub-plan video down here going over that as well. But you need to create the entranceway, so that's done. I don't have a specific turn-in for that because it's not something I'm going to necessarily grade right now, but when you go to submit your portfolio, it will be something I'm grading, so make sure you have that. This is super weird. Alrighty, AmLegal. Let's see if AmLegal works. Alright, so it looks like AmLegal will work for us, says Noblesville, Indiana. So you can use this worksheet. It says either 159 or 1003. So let's see. We're in 159, and then it said 159, 142, 159, 142. So open that up, and you can find all the information that you need down here. So here's like the required parking spaces. So you'll search for that to find your answer. So I'll copy this. All right, so that's what I have for you this week. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you all later.